welcome back to my channel. I'm Ritu Kapoor. Today I'm going to unbox and review EyesCrush for the month of January. So this is the box which I've got. Let's just quickly open it and see what all it has. The price for a monthly subscription is 699 rupees. I will be mentioning the buying link in the description box. And as you know, the name is EyesCrush. So yes, in this box, you will be getting trendy, beautiful, very stylish, very in fashion sunglasses. Plus, if you want powered sunglasses, you just have to add your prescription and you will be getting powered sunglasses, which is a really good thing, I guess. Now, let's just quickly open it and see what all it has. So the first thing is this. This is the info card. So let's start with the first product. The first product is EyesCrush shade of your choice sunglasses. The one, and you have different choices. I have chosen this one. That's why I'm showing you this. So it's very pretty, very in fashion, very stylish. It has this dual shade you can see here. It's darker hair, lighter hair. Then it has these tones here. The color is of course darker hair, and this one is like pinkish shade, you can say. And the quality and everything, the style, everything is just amazing. And just have a look. It's looking really stunning, very fashionable. I love it. I love big sunglasses. So yes, it's perfectly going with my face. Super happy with this one. 2099 rupees is the price. Now moving on to the next one. The next one is again a choice of eyeglasses, and this one is with anti-glare lenses. So you can wear them with whenever you are using phone, let's say laptop, or maybe driving. So let me just show you. In this also you have choices for the shape. I have chosen this one, and this is how it looks. Pretty, and it's just perfect for my face, I guess. And the color is dark blue with some black. So black with some bluish tone. So yes, overall, really happy with this one as well. The price for this one is 1999 rupees. Now moving on to the next one. The next one is by EyesCrush again, and this is the lens cleanser spray. You just have to spray it from here and just spray it on the lens, and then take a soft cloth and clean it. So yes, quite useful product. 199 is the price for this one. Quite handy, you can say. It's very like sleek. So yes, I love the packing as well. Now moving on to the next one. The next one is by Seer Secrets, and this is the one. It's the face cream, and it says the Phyto Active Face Defense Cream. It has noni, google, and soya. This will brighten, and it has collagen booster, and this will smoothen your skin. The price for this one is 639 rupees. The manufacture of April 2019. Looks nice. The best before is 24 months from the manufacturing date. Looks nice, and I think I already have this cream, but I don't remember that I've used it. So this time I'm going to try this one. Looks nice. This is how the texture is. So yes, I will be using it and I will let you know. Now moving on to the next one and the last one. The last one is EyesCrush leather soft cases. So I have two, of course, for both the eyeglasses. So these are the two. The price for these are 298 rupees. So these are the one. So that's all what I have received in my EyesCrush for January month. The total worth of all the product is 4,000 plus, which is amazing. And let me tell you that this month I love this one. Yes, every time they send me a very stylish, very fashionable sunglasses, but this time I don't know why, but I just loved it. This is just perfect for my face. This is so me, you can say. The frame is big, then the color is nice, then the quality is super amazing. So yes, I'm overall very happy with this one. So yes, very happy with this one. And then the anti-glare eyeglasses, yes, these are again very nice. These are again just perfect for me. So yes, I'm happy with both the eyeglasses. Then the spray is nice, then the cream is nice, and yeah, the cover, of course, they are very useful. So yes, I love it, and I will be mentioning everything in the description box, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, lots of love and bye bye.